Hey everyone, check out the Barebones Foraging Bag, a versatile gardening tote perfect for harvesting plants and fruit picking. This small waxed canvas tote features a bucket-style opening and convertible straps that can be worn as a sling or wrapped around your waist for easy carrying. It includes 3 interchangeable inserts, a foraging mesh, canvas sack, and watertight PEVA liner, making it ideal for storing tools, flowers, or fruits. Made from heavy-duty, weather-resistant waxed canvas, this bag is designed to last through all your outdoor adventures. The internal plastic frame keeps the bag sturdy and spacious, protecting your harvest while you work. Whether you're at the farmer's market or out in your garden, this bag handles it all with style and durability. It's a must-have addition to any gardener's toolkit for convenience and functionality. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.